For the final trade of the day, Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading, is with us now. And Mike, what is your trade?
All right, for today, I have a stock that usually I wouldn't be mentioning. That is Fortuna Silver Mines Incorporated. They're a Canadian company. Currently, the stock price is just around $2.80 to $2.90 a share. They're based in Vancouver. They have about 2,300 employees. And basically, mining companies are not things that I usually follow, but I have to say this stock looks like it's a pretty good value. Currently, it's looking at a very low forward PE ratio. I like to look at the ranges that a stock's PE ratios usually stay in. And if it's at the very, very lower end, which this one is, that's usually a very good sign. Also, when I look at the estimates of where the price could be, we're looking at anywhere from about $4.04 upwards to maybe $5.32. So this stock looks like it's pretty undervalued at this point, considering everything. So I do see some good upside potential. Now, in the event the stock does not follow through with what I'm expecting, just looking at my charts here, I do feel like that if the stock starts to trade below about $2.41, maybe $2.35, somewhere in that range, that would indicate that the bullish sentiment maybe is gone. The stock is coming up to earnings, which will be 5 days from now. So we'll see what the earnings report has to say. But overall, I don't expect any major surprises. So hopefully, if they have a really good earnings report, that'll move things up. But my guess is that nothing of a negative surprise is likely to come out. But if you want to be cautious, wait till after that report comes out in 5 days and then take a look at that.
Mike, this is a stock market that doesn't like going down very much. How much of a challenge is that when searching for stocks that still have more room to rally?
Well, to me, my concerns are always what the future projections are. So let me put it this way. I don't really think of the market in terms of high or low. I think of it in terms of relative value. So with stocks that I can find, however, that are on lower parts of their ranges, like Fortuna is, that is actually a good sign, because if I can find the stock in the middle of a bull rally that is trading on the lower end of its spectrum, but it's seen very consistent improvement in its fundamentals along the way, that's a stock that I'm mostly interested in. I do believe there's potentially more upside. But at the same time, I'm not going to get into stocks that clearly have been running for a while. They're at really high valuations, but you look at the fundamentals of the company, it's not like they've improved that greatly or they're projecting much better. But there are some companies like Uber, for example, that are showing such improvement that you can justify the price going even higher. So we'll see. So it's on a case-by-case basis.
It's a stock picker's market.
Yep, I agree.
Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.